In as much as we disagree with the verdict of the Supreme Court, there are few things we want to ask the EC, and even in the Supreme Court themselves. What happens if the EC is unable to comply or perform their duties before the scheduled days or after the scheduled date? What happens? What happens if they cannot compile a voter register given the number of days they have given out? What happens then? What will happen if the D-Day of voting comes and we don't have a final register? Have they thought of all this? What will the Supreme Court now do if the EC is unable to comply and perform? These are questions. In any case, the EC is silent about several issues that I want to ask. The EC is silent about proxy votes. It's quiet about ROPAL. I don't know how they intend to do ROPAL now that we have COVID-19. And it's also silent about prisoners because the Supreme Court has ruled that prisoners can now vote. Listening to the Supreme Court yesterday, I thought they would have listened to us one of the arguments that we put before. The last time we met, I was part of that meeting. I asked 2 questions, and the EC could not answer one, and they answered one. One of the questions they answered was that, given the number of days they do intend to compile the voter register, it's not feasible because it will take not less than 10 to 15 minutes to register one person. And the answer was that, listen very carefully to the answer, that they were going to use the current voter register data, and anybody who has a voter ID card, they were going to transfer the data of that person, his information from the old voter register, voter card, to a new template and update it with facial recognition. And that will make their process very easy and smooth. So if you are telling us that you are going to use the current voter ID card and its information and transfer it to a data system, a template, and then upgrade facial recognition, why are you rejecting it today? And what document are you going to use to do the transfer? What information are you going to transfer to the template? You see, they fool us, they lie to us, they give us wrong information, double standard, and yet our Supreme Court judges will say, go, they have the power. Yes, we have the power to reject the results if we don't accept it. They should remember too. So, we don't have the power to fight the Supreme Court. But we have one thing, common sense. We have common sense. It's very serious. When I say we have common sense, it means something. We have common sense. So I will urge all of you not to cause trouble. 7th December, there'll be a change. And that change will give you the power and the Ghana you have been looking for all this while. Go, register, and vote. Don't allow anybody to intimidate you. But believe in yourself that nobody is going to protect you because those who are supposed to protect us have abandoned us.